soir. S'il vous plaît, je veux un tonnerre d'applaudissements pour Shamsuddin.
Ya Muhammad, Ya Rasulallah, Ya Muhammad, Ya Nabi Allah, Ya Muhammad, Ya Rasulallah, Ya Muhammad, Ya Habib Allah, Ya Muhammad. Si t'entends l'un de tes pas dire je suis fier que chaque jour que tu fais tu cherches à tout près les satisfaire. Inch'Allah que tu te bénisses mon frère, des jeunes comme toi nous rend fiers. Allez, pour tout sérieux, sache que tu fais la fierté des pensées, tu fais tous tes proches des gens heureux, tu peux te bavaler la tête pour tes pères.
S'il vous plaît, je veux un tonnerre d'applaudissements pour Yahya Awad Moussouria. Je veux, s'il vous plaît, un maximum de bruit pour... Pour Malaysia. Get ready, everyone. 1, 2, 3, together, come on. Allah, Allahu Akbar, Allah. Come on, louder. Allah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? Ça va? The best. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Wow, big crowd. وبالإسلام دينا رضيت وبالإسلام دينا وبمحمد صلى الله عليه وسلم سلم نبيا ورسولا.
next time, inshallah, we come here, I want everyone to bring one person with them. Can you do that? Yeah? So become double, inshallah. And to remember, I just, always to try to remind myself and you guys why we're here tonight. Why are we here tonight? Is it because of Maher Zain? No. Of course not. No. If you're here for Maher Zain, then go back home. No, but honestly, we're here for a good cause. I'm really happy to be here, of course. We're having fun, etc. But let's not forget why we're here. We're here to support Human Appeal, who is supporting the Syrian people. We know the situation down there. Of course, we all know that. So, and the people in Palestine and everywhere in the world. Too many things happening, too many things at the same time. So please, open your hearts, open your arms, and open your wallets. MashaAllah. And please, look, this is not just, this is not the only opportunity to help. Please tell everyone, your friends, your families, and everyone to, it's not just, this is not the only, opportunity tonight. We can still donate, we can still help on the websites, we can follow Human Appeal, etc., etc. So, you all know that, so please continue to support, inshallah. All right. So now, back to Maher Zain. Do you love your mothers? You know you are the number one. Oh, you're not ready. You need to be ready. Are you ready? Okay, let's try again. You know you are the number one. You know you are the number one. You know you are the number one.